Keep talking shit and you're trying my life. Do you want that ass beat? You don't sense my frustration. Can I ask why you're trying me? My name is swirling through your mouth and I don't know why. Girl, don't pretend you're about that life. You never win, so let me be. You try to stop me, but you can't, bitch, please. Let's keep it real before you go. You need to know. Fuck you, ho. Fuck you, ho. Can't worry about you anymore. Fuck you, ho. Fuck you, ho. You're a block and I close that door. You don't compare. That's why you hate. So just move on. Bitch, I ain't bout your silly games. Girl, just keep your distance. I think that would be smart. Keep spreading lies about me. It won't get to me at all. It's time for you to get a clue. Let's be clear, I do not fuck with you. Your mind is always pressed about me. Bitch, please. Fuck you, ho. Fuck you, ho. Why do you try my life? Fuck you, ho. Fuck you, ho. I don't have time, girl, bye. You're just a fan and you know I don't play. So just move on. It's hard for you to keep my name out of your mouth, and that's why I should beat your ugly face into the ground. You're really lucky, bitch, that I have lots of class, but you keep talking shit. I whoop that fucking ass. Fuck you, ho. Fuck you, ho. When will this message done? Fuck you, ho. Fuck you, ho. I hope you just get gone. Keep being a fan with your childish ways, or just move on. Bitch, I ain't bout your silly games.